Hello friends, welcome to NiftySOL. So today we are going to see how you can download Zed MSME Silver Certification Checklist completely free. Yes, completely free. So Zed is zero defect, zero effect framework for quality improvement by Government of India, and is best for the industries as well as service organizations. So let's see how it works. So you need to go to browser, type in niftysol.com URL. The URL is also there in the description, so you can use that as well. Go to blog, and then you will see Zed Silver Certification Checklist free download. Click on that icon, and then once you go on the landing page, you will see the PDF pop-up kind of thing where you click it for free PDF. It will ask you to enter your email and your name. Just enter the correct email and name over there so that you can download your free PDF. Just click on the download free PDF button. This will now show you a message that you have successfully subscribed for the free PDF. You need to check your email inbox. Sometimes the email goes into spam, so do check the spam folder as well if it's not there in inbox. Click on plus, confirm your email address. Once you click on that link, it will redirect you there. Checklist page. This is assessment checklist for silver certification for Zed MSME, right? And you can see there are a number of pages. You can also download or print this checklist. This is assessment checklist that you can use for education purpose. So do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.